Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 31st tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about tuple functions. And tuples are immutable, so there is not an awful lot that you can do with tuples. And we're going to check out three functions in this tutorial which are not strictly tuple functions, but you can use those functions on tuples. And we're going to check out the len method, right, or the length function, and then we're going to check out the max method, and then we're going to check out the min method, right? So in order to demonstrate these functions on tuples, I'll have to create a tuple first. So I'm going to call my tuple, and that's pretty convenient. I'll put the assignment operator, and then as we know, we use the parentheses to create tuples. So I'll get in a pair of empty parentheses, and then within these parentheses I'll type in some values. So I'll type in 1 comma 2 comma, let's say I want to have an element lamb, which is a string value, and then after lamb, let's say I also want to have an apple, right? And then let's say I want to have a number, right? So I'll put in 7 there, and I'll press the enter key to create my tuple. And then I'll use the length method the way I used it with the with a list in the last tutorial. So I'll type in the name of my tuple within parentheses, and that's my tuple. I press the enter key and I get 5 as a result, and that's because the tuple currently has 5 values. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So the next method that we're going to check out is the max method, and it's used to find the maximum element in a tuple. So I'm going to change the values of my tuple. I'll change the values to, let's say I want to have numbers 78, and then 84, and then 112, and let's say I want to have minus 91, and then I want to have 43, and let's say I want to have 221, right? I'll press the enter key and I'll use the max method on the tuple this way. I'll type in max first, within parentheses the name of my tuple, which is my tuple, and there you go. I see the result as 221, and that's because that's the highest value, right? The last function that we're going to check out in this tutorial is the min function, and I'll use it by typing in min, and within parentheses I'll simply pass the name, my tuple, press the enter key, and there you go. We see that the result is minus 91 because negative 91 is the least value in this tuple, right? So that's it about tuples. In the next tutorial we are going to check out some dictionary functions, and I hope you guys had fun, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care.